This device can earn you passive income while also giving you the ability to check your car's health and your driving habits. And stay tuned till the end because we're going to be running a giveaway at the end of this video. What I'm holding right here is only a prototype. They're going to send me a real one later, and we're going to make a video on how to unbox and stuff later, so stay tuned for that. But this is the prototype of the DIMO LTE R1. And as you can see, it is actually a lot smaller than the AutoPi, but just slightly bigger than the Macaron. But in this video, I'm going to show you how the new device is better than their older model. But first, if you're unfamiliar with DIMO or how it works or how you can actually earn passive income with the DIMO, then be sure to check out all my other content about DIMO to learn more about that. But for the purposes of this video, all you really need to know is basically you get paid just by driving. And then you also gain insights about your car's health and your driving habits. And then I double dip the rewards by getting a splitter and plugging in a Motus by Solar Chain. Now they're still in the test net, keep that in mind, but that's what I do. And then I also triple dip by running a Hive Mapper. So my car is becoming a crypto mining machine. Also guys, I'm gonna be getting the new Hive Mapper model that's coming out. So be sure to stay tuned because there's going to be an unboxing and setup video about that in the future. But anyways, let's head back to the new DIMO device. The LTE R1, since it's compact like the Macaron, you don't have to use any of that nasty tape from the AutoPi. However, the AutoPi mines 6 times the rewards while the Macaron mines only 2 times the rewards. The LTE R1 also mines 6 times the rewards like the AutoPi does. So now let's talk about the price. The Macaron is the cheapest with $99, and the AutoPi is the most expensive with $349. But the LTE R1 is $169, which is honestly probably the best deal you can get. And if you want to buy a DIMO, the new device is definitely going to be the best bang for your buck. Now there are a few other comparison details that I wanted to share with you, as well as here's a little review of everything we've gone over already. Now I did mention that we're going to be doing a giveaway, so let me tell you about that and how it works. So basically all you need to do is like the video and leave a comment down below. When this video hits 100 likes, we will do a giveaway. I'll pick a random person who commented down below, and we will send you a DIMO Macaron. Sadly, I'm not giving away the brand new LTE R1 because I'm going to be keeping this one, but I'll get rid of my old one, the Macaron. And then if this video does well enough, in the next video where I do an unboxing and setup video of the LTE R1, I will actually give away my AutoPi, which is probably the best giveaway that I've done in a long time. So guys, be sure to like this video and subscribe for the next one because we want to give this bad boy away too. Well guys, that's the video. Thank you for liking. Hope you enjoyed. Let me know which other DPIN device you would like for me to cover next, and I'll see you next time. And as always guys, stay safe, trade safe, watch out for scams, and God bless. Peace. And then, all right, thanks. I'm gonna go get married.